Hello everybody, in this lesson I will discuss how to find the equation of a parabola when the turning point is given. Now type 3 of finding the equation of the parabola, what is given is the turning point and one other point. And then the equation that you will use, or the formula, is this one. This one is familiar. Y is equal to a bracket x minus b squared plus q. Again, the equation is not on the formula sheet. You must learn this. Let's do an example. Find the equation of the parabola with turning point -1, 2, passing through the point 0, 5. Now, very important here. The fact that this is a turning point, this means P's value is -1 and Q's value is 2. And it's this other point that you're going to substitute in X and Y's place to calculate A in the end. So we'll start with the formula. Y is equal to a bracket x minus b squared plus q. In p's place, in goes the -1, and in q's place, the 2. And can you see I used a bracket there when I substituted in p's value. And then it becomes y is equal to a bracket x plus 1 squared plus 2. Now to find a, this is where I'm going to substitute this other point that was given, and the point was 0 and 5. So in x's place I will substitute a 0, in y's place I will substitute the 5. And then 0 plus 1 squared is just 1, and now a times 1 is just a. And then the plus 2 will walk across and it becomes -2, and a's value is equal to 3. Then for the formula, we know this part so far. Y is equal to a bracket x plus 1 squared plus 2, and we calculated a, the value was 3 in a's place. Therefore, the formula for this parabola, y is equal to 3 bracket x plus 1 squared plus 2. And you can leave it in that form since the question did not ask for the answer in standard form. In the next video, I will discuss a practice example on how to find the equation of a parabola when the turning point is given. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.